So in our discussion about base 10, one reason it's base 10 here is we have 10 digits to work with. A 0, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 10 digits to work with. Now I chose these three digits, 5, 4, and 3. But what would have happened if I would have chosen a 0 instead of the 4? Then what happens? Well, we call that number simply 503. It's like this middle digit is turned off. That's because 0 times 10 to the 1 is just 0. It's not there. So you have 503. 503. Let's move on to binary now. Binary is a base 2. So we have two digits available to us, which makes this a little bit easier. We have 0 and 1. So we could place just a series of, but that's all we have to work with. So I could make my number 1101 there. Now in base 10 we have a certain name for that, but remember this is base 2. Zeros and ones were the only things we had available to us. But it's going to work the same way. This one here is going to be in the 2 to the 0 spot, which 2 to the 0 is just the number 1. Anything to the 0 is 1. So there I have 1. Then the next number up is 0. So 0 times 2 to the 1, well, 0 times anything is 0. Next number up is in the 2 to the second spot. So that's the 4 spot. So 1 times 2 to the 4, or 2 to the second is just 4. And then I had 4 spots here, so the next number up would be the 8th spot, and 1 times 8 is just going to give me 8. Now if I wanted to know what this number 1101 is in base 10, I would just add all these numbers up. 8 plus 4 is 12, plus 0 plus 1 is 13 in a base 10. And so that is how I would do a base 2. Now if you didn't get a different base before, try it again. See how it goes this time.